and today we are doing DIY fidget spinners! So, let's get started. So, first, we are going to spray paint 4 bottle caps. This is optional, this is just to decorate. So once you spray paint all of them, and you're going to add some glitter if you want to. Oh, that looks so pretty.
It's kind of like a fade because the green's under it.
Yeah.
That's like really cool.
So now that we put glitter on it, we are just going to let it sit out and dry for a little bit. Okay guys, so now that they are all dried and sparkly, we are going to glue the pennies in it to give it...
Glue the pennies.
We're gonna glue the pennies on it to give it like more weight. Okay. It'll fit perfectly in there. This is just to give it more weight so it spins longer.
So if you want, when you put the pennies in, it's really hollow. So we're going to put a little like things so they don't
like the carpet things. Yeah. And this is just because we don't like that it's like hollow.
Like hollow.
So
we're
just gonna put it in. Okay. So this is this is what it's gonna look like when you put the little carpet thing in. It's just, you know, that's optional.
So the next step is
to poke a hole in this.
And that's gonna be really hard.
Poke the hole.
So
where's the little thingy-majig?
Dang it.
Wait, did we just have it? Oh, there it is. Okay, we need to make sure it's perfectly in the middle. And I'm just gonna.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna
poke it through the middle with a little.
Please be careful.
Screw thing.
Because it's very sharp.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, that was easy.
Okay. Just make it nice and loose.
But we might need scissors because it might need
might
be that moose. I was about to say moose.
Might not be that moose.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's not.
Okay, wait.
So we need some scissors. Keep your hand away from scissors. No, Mia, don't hurt yourself. No pressure.
No pressure.
But your hand could fall off.
No pressure. It needs to be able to spin like pretty well. Yeah, pretty well.
Pretty well. Next step is
we are going to make it into the
fidget spinner
shape. So it's gonna be like we're gonna hot glue the little
things on
pieces like into that shape. So guys, after you are done doing the fidget spinner shape,
so next
we're gonna poke the little thing through and perfect. Cut off the extra
very carefully. And then you need 2 beads. Doesn't matter how long or how short they just need to be as they
need to be pretty wide. So guys, this is a little bit different kind of fidget spinner than you usually see because the normal method we cannot figure out. Okay, so it's gonna be like that. You want to see the little stub coming out, and then you're just gonna hot glue it. See, we're just gonna do the same thing that we did to the last one. Guys, these fidget spinners are
amazing.
Awesome.
We're gonna play with them like every day.
Every single day. And
like every day we come, we're gonna be like fidget spinner.
But they work like
really
good.
Like I didn't.
And they're like you can make designs like whatever you want.
And you can go like this.
Yeah.
You can go like this.
You can do whatever you want with them. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go subscribe to her channel.
Eliana.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.